Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I apologize for the tardiness of episode 5 for the Poured Out series. We all know life happens, so when life happens, you have to deal with life. But the show must go on, right? So if you are ready for episode 5, I think you guys are gonna really love this one, then let's go. All right, so like I said in the beginning, I think you guys are gonna love this video because I'm excited about it and I'm already loving it and I haven't even started yet. So I have 2 surprises, not only for what I'm pouring out of today, but what I'm pouring on. So I will introduce to you what I'm pouring on first. This is what I'm pouring on. It was a white stag with gold antlers, but I painted it, well, threw some spilled paint on it, which was the Deco Art Americana Decor Matte Metallic in pewter. Yes. So this is what is on. And as you can see, I made a mess. So I was like, well, I'm not gonna waste paint. So I just slathered it on there and covered it. And I was like, well, that'll just be the base. So I love it because it has like this shiny steel blue, which is actually one of the colors that I will be pouring with today. So the other colors, like I said, this is the pewter by Deco Art. Then we have metallic ice blue from Folk Art. Then we have metallic blue sapphire. And I haven't decided yet if I want to put a 4th color in here, but if I do, I'm thinking maybe the Deco Art Matte Metallic Ivory Pearl. So I'm not 1,000% sure, but it will be here on the side just in case I want to. So now I have to get this bad boy up on something so I can pour off of it. So give me a moment and I'll be right back. Okay, I got him all set up. And you probably have figured out what we're gonna be pouring out of today. And today we're gonna be pouring out of mini cups. Yes. Okay, I am back. So I got about 2.5 cups. So this cup here is just the pewter, the ice blue, and the sapphire. Am I saying that right? Blue sapphire, sorry. And this one is everything in the ivory, the Deco Art ivory. And then this last little bit, I had to put a little bit of the ivory in there to finish out the blue sapphires. Wanted the standing one because I knew it would have made it so much easier, but the hubs objected to that one, so yeah. And it was due to the fact that I was trying to do pumpkins and ended up having to throw them away. So he was like, no, if this doesn't work, So he went for the cheaper one, which I can't blame him. I'm not upset with him at that. He made a valid point. So just playing with some holiday colors. You know, it's the holidays. So just figured I would do a holiday inspired pour for this poured out episode. So that's one. You see, this is why I wanted it standing. Like I said, because I knew it would have been easier to pour it on if it was standing. But it's a challenge, so, and I'm always up for a challenge. So I'm not mad at it. Now you guys can see it from the top. Now I'll have to bring it down so you can see it from the sides. So just give me a minute and I'll bring it from the side so you can get a side view. Right, so here's a view from it on the side that's away from me. So it's dripping into the cups, dripping down. Definitely gonna be difficult probably to get those, the neck, just because it's leaning back so far. So that's my only issue I think we're gonna face with that neck. We'll figure it out. So here we are on the side that's closest to me. So let's see if I can get you a better view of the back of the neck. So see how it kind of pours down the neck and separates. It's actually rather cool how that happens. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the different views that this is coming from. So like I said, I'm gonna try to get these sides. It's gonna be difficult, but I'm gonna try. I need to go make some more and it's gonna take me a few minutes. So I will be back. All right. So this time, no pewter. I just did the Deco Art Matte Metallic Ivory Pearl, the Folk Art Ice Blue, and the Folk Art Blue Sapphire. So that's all I did this time around. Okay guys, so I'm gonna let this sit here for a little while and do all the dripping until like the drip really stop, and then I will be back and we'll get the paint that's on the canvas hopefully moved around and have once again 2-in-1 pieces. So I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back. I did a lot of touching up. I put some more paint in spots to help with coverage. So now, as you can see, it's over here, just chilling, still dripping. So we have 6 cups. So I am just going to, they're a little stuck. I'm just gonna flip them over. Pieces are for sale, so I'll have my email address in the description. If you come across a piece that you like and you would like to put so much in my room that I need to get out of here. I'm in the process of trying to figure out how to set up a website so I can put it on there, because I need to get a lot of this out of here. So yeah, just email me at aprilscreations4@gmail.com. Again, it'll be in the description. So you have no worries of trying to remember it. I don't know if anybody would want this one because it has all the different like ring shapes in there, which it's totally fine. I totally understand that. But hey, if you do, you know what to do. Hit me up on email. Let me know. Will return when both pieces are dry. That way you guys can see how they both turned out. So I will see you back here once these are dried. All right, as promised, I am back and the painting is dried and my winter stag is dry, and I love how both of them turned out. The rings are still visible, but I'm hoping with some resin that'll help take that out. So cross my fingers on that. But look at the shine on that. And that's because of the pewter, the blue sapphire, and the ice blue, and also that that pearl, that white pearl. I think that was his name. I can't remember. White pearl, crystal pearl. Also, that's in there. And then the stag. I love the antlers. They're really, really dope. I love this spinal tree formation that's on the back of the neck. That came out awesome. And just the overall shine on both of them. Look at that. How amazing is that? That light is hitting it and it just makes it sparkle without resin being on it. And I am loving it. I love both pieces. I am so happy at how they turned out. So you guys let me know in the comments, what do you think of these two, of my beautiful winter stag? Look at them, gorgeous. And of my blue ice pour. Yeah, let me know in the comments, let me know. Don't forget to hit that like button. Make sure if you're new, you're subscribing. Hey, if you're a repeating watcher and you still haven't committed to pushing that subscribe button, please do that. It'd be greatly appreciated. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that way you know when new content is posted. And don't forget to share. Sharing is caring. So make sure you share, get it out there so other folks can see what amazing things can be done with acrylic pouring. Okay? And if I don't see you next Sunday, then I will see you in the new year. I hope you all have a fantastic holiday season. You stay safe, and happy early Christmas and New Year. Love you all, and thank you for your continued support. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.